What's up everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo Cars in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2026 Volvo XC90 B5 Plus. So this is like the new Volvo XC90 design, of course, introduced in the 2025.5 model, half of 2025 basically, and this is the 26. So you have Apple CarPlay, of course, and Android Auto, built-in Google Maps. You also have Google Maps in the gauge cluster. There you go. Very nice steering wheel, new Volvo logo, where it's not like where it's like black, and then if you have a white steering wheel, it'll have the white color. You also have that on the key, same key fob, except the logo's a bit different. Open pore wood trim. And you have some interesting trim up there. Panoramic sunroof, and this one has the bench seat, which is pretty nice. You also have heated rear seats. And then over here you have heated seats and a heated steering wheel, and you have the beautiful Orford Sweden crystal gear shifter. You also have a very nice reverse camera with 360 view. And here's the center console. So let's walk around this car. Let's look at the window sticker first. XC90 B5 all-wheel drive, mild hybrid plus, 7-passenger, 2-liter turbocharged engine, 247 horsepower and 266 pound-feet of torque with the 48-volt mild hybrid system with regen braking and 13 horsepower. You have a total suggested retail price of $67,275. The Plus will give you a 360 surround camera, park assist front, rear and side, integrated center booster cushion, laminated glass, and 21-inch 5 multi-spoke black diamond cut alloy wheels, 24 miles per gallon combined. The mild hybrid definitely helps with that. Exterior is crystal white, interior is cardamom quilted Nordico. I didn't know about that color before this. Very beautiful. I love the new XC90. It looks really nice. It was definitely due for an update, so I'm glad the 2025.5 gave us that. You know, the wheels and tires look nice. You have Scorpion Pirellis. I love those daytime running lights. It's so beautiful. Look how nice this thing looks. And I love that grille. Very classy. This is a very elegant vehicle. And here are the rear seats. Here's the back. The taillights were revised too. They look newer. They look nicer than the older taillights did. And here's the trunk in this vehicle with the third row up. But yeah, very beautiful SUV. I'm gonna be getting videos on all the trim levels of the 26, so stay tuned for that. Let's get this out on the road. Seats are nice and comfortable, and interior is very quiet, typical of Volvos. I also uploaded a video on the 2026 XC40 the other day if you want to check that out. The 2026 Volvos are starting to roll in, so I'll be getting those videos as soon as I can. I just have a lot of cars to film. nice and smooth. You also have blind spot alert, obviously, and it's like those little black strips in the side mirrors, which will indicate if there's someone in your blind spot. Overall, nice Volvo XC90 B5 Plus. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo Cars in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own 2026 Volvo XC90.